Today's top story is: doctor dies in Gilgit-Baltistan after contracting coronavirus from patients. Now news in detail. Sama was part of 10-member team of the doctors tasked with screening patients returning from downtowns, particularly those arriving there from Iran via Taftan. A young physician, Dr. Osama Riaz, became the first Pakistani doctor who died of coronavirus, which he had contracted while physically handling suspected. Dr. Osama was part of 10-member team of the doctors tasked with screening patients returning from downtowns, particularly those arriving there from Iran via Taftan. He later started providing services to the suspected patients in isolation centers established for them in Gilgit. Dr. Osama ignored his health and served the patients till late night, as the patients had never been provided any services before. Dr. Osama was then shifted to the Provincial Headquarter Hospital (PHQ) in Gilgit City, where he was put on ventilator. It was a big shock and surprise for the local authorities. They sent his swab for investigation that confirmed him as positive case. According to officials in Gilgit, they repeated his swab test and again he tested positive for coronavirus. The officials said they had learned 2 days ago that he had died and his brain stopped functioning, but since it was a sensitive issue and could have serious repercussions, therefore, they wanted to utilize all their resources if they could save his life. According to the doctors in the PHQ, they had sent his swab to the National Institute of Health in Islamabad for the satisfaction of his family. They removed him from ventilator on Sunday night and announced him dead. Dr. Shah Zaman said they had constituted a board that investigated other aspects of his complications. Pakistanis will never forget his services and will regard it later. This was the latest news at the moment. Like, share and subscribe to our channel for the latest news updates.